A, B, C, D,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
E,
O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
F,
X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
G,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
H,
A, B, C, D,
I,
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
J,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
K,
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
L,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
M, N, O, P,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and
R,
Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
S, T,
A, B, C, D, E,
U,
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
V,
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now
W,
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing
X,
with me?
Y, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
A, B, C, D, E, F,
8,
G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
9,
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
10.
ABCs.
Let's learn some colors name.
Sing with me.
Red color, blue color,
A, B, C, D,
yellow color,
G, H, I,
green
J,
color,
K, L, M, N, O, P,
orange color,
Q, R, S, T,
pink color,
W, X,
purple color,
Y, and Z.
brown color,
Know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll, E for egg,
B, C, D,
F
E,
for frog,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
G for glass,
X, Y, and Z.
H for hat,
Know my ABCs.
I for igloo,
Next time, won't you sing with
J for
me?
jam, K for kite, L for lamb,
A, B, C,
M for man,
D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
N for
R,
net,
S, T, U, V, W, X,
O for onion,
Y, and Z. Now I know
P for
my
pen,
ABCs. Next time,
Q for
won't
queen,
you sing with me?
R for ring, S for star, T for train, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone. Y for yacht. C for zebra. 1. I have one happy face. 2. I see two little birds. 3. There are 3 big cats. 4. 4 colorful balloons are flying. 5. 5 fingers on my hand. 6. 6 silly monkeys are playing. 7. 7 bright stars in the sky. 8. 8 big eggs in the nest. 9. 9 nice pencils in my box. 10. 10 tiny toes on my feet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great job, friends! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.